Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by narrowing the goal. What kind of song app do you need and why? Once done, pick the platform, iOS, Android, web, because availability and UX differ. Make sure to list must-have features like lyrics, song identification, streaming or offline playback, and note budget limits such as free versus paid. You'll save time searching by ruling out incompatible apps early. This reduces options to a focused shortlist you can test immediately. You now search app stores and review hubs, using filters for ratings, downloads, and recent updates to surface reliable candidates. Once you have 2-3 apps, install them and run through core flows. Identify a song, play a track, save favorites. Make sure to read 3 recent reviews to catch privacy flags or recurring bugs, and compare feature parity. Does each app support offline, playlists, and quick ID, so you can rank them by real-world usefulness before committing? You pick the best app and configure it. Grant mic and storage permissions, set playback and notification preferences, and sign into any accounts needed. Once configured, test with 3 song types, studio recordings, live performances, and noisy background audio to confirm ID accuracy and playback stability. Make sure to set offline caches if you need them. If things go wrong, try the one-key troubleshooting tip: clear app cache or reinstall. This often resolves permission hangups or corrupted downloads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.